Every time you say yes when you mean no, self-trust erodes. Boundaries are self-respect in action. Okay, so day 17 of the 30-day self-trust challenge is all about boundaries building trust. So the invitation today is to practice one gentle boundary today. And what could that look like? As a former people pleaser, boundaries are hard and they can be uncomfortable. And I find it hard to hold boundaries with lots of people in my life. And as people that I've worked with in emotional eating groups before, we're kind of the people that take care of each other, and it can be hard to start to hold boundaries or start to assert ourselves. So there's a strategy in the emotional eating group that I ran for years where we worked on asserting ourselves and speaking up for ourselves in reference to like food situations. So it may be an example of saying no without over explaining. That could be one, if somebody asks you to do something, you don't have time, you just say no and leave it at that. But it could be as simple as, you're out to dinner, they want to put the breadbasket on the table, and it could be as simple as you saying, no, we don't want the breadbasket before the meal. Thank you. And that, for some people, that can feel really uncomfortable. Or it could be asking for something to be different with your meal, because sometimes it can feel like that's, putting the server out or being extra picky or being high maintenance. But that can be a way to practice setting boundaries, just asking for what you want. Okay. Or it could just be not answering the phone when you see that number come up that you really don't have a capacity to deal with in that moment. So there's different ways that we can build boundaries, but the more often we're able to keep our boundaries and build those little boundaries, that builds our self-trust because we're keeping that promise to ourselves. Okay, so remember the practice today, the daily invitation is to practice one gentle boundary today. And it could be as simple as I close the door sometimes and I need a 20-minute break. And I say to my kids, like, do not open my door for 20 minutes, like, unless the house is on fire, because I need that 20 minutes of quiet. And that's a simple, gentle boundary. It's not changing the whole world, but it's helping with my self-care and my self-trust. So the example is I said no without over-explaining. If somebody wants you to do something, no is a complete answer. And I think for a lot of us, women in midlife, that can be sometimes hard to just say no and leave it at that. We want to over explain as former, people pleasers or kind of the mediator in the family. No, no is a complete sentence. And if today felt hard, I want you to remember that boundaries often feel uncomfortable at first. Okay? So you're not alone. Come back for day 18 of the 30-day self-trust challenge.